Let me tell you about the time I got a good deal on pork tenderloin. It was on sale and I knew exactly what to do with it. Sous vide. Honestly, this is the perfect method for cooking pork tenderloin. Why? Because it guarantees the meat stays incredibly juicy and pork tender. Pork tenderloin is lean, so it can easily dry out if you're not careful, but sous vide, it takes all the guesswork out. Here's what I did. I set my sous vide to 140 degrees Fahrenheit for a perfect medium doneness. Then I sealed the Ziploc bag with tenderloin by water displacement method and popped it into the water bath for 1.5 hours. It's low and slow, which lets the meat cook evenly and hold on to all its natural juices. After the sous vide, it comes out perfectly cooked, but this is important, it looks pale. That's where the sear comes in. I heated the pan to medium-high heat and seared the tenderloin on all sides until it got that beautiful golden brown crust. This step is quick, just a couple of minutes on each side, but adds so much flavor and visual appeal. And get this, I didn't even season it. No salt, no spices, just the pure, natural, porky goodness. I let it rest for 15 minutes. When I sliced into it, it was so tender and juicy. It reminded me of lechon actually, but even more moist. Seriously, it was that good. It just goes to show, sometimes simplicity and the right technique are all you need.